Hi, in this important video, you're going to discover weight loss tips for beginners. Now, this is really important information that you really want to pay attention to. Now, my name is Coach Jim O'Connor from a fat loss advocate website called WellnessWord, as in WORD.com. And today, I have 7 tips for you. 7 important weight loss tips for beginners. So pay close attention. It's going to definitely impact your life. It's going to help you reach your goal. Number one, the number one tip, and the overall concept you must understand if you want to be successful in losing weight is this. You need to be in a caloric deficit. And what I mean by a caloric deficit, you need to be burning or taking in less calories than your body needs on a day-to-day basis. If you're eating exactly what your body needs to maintain its weight, you're going to maintain your weight. If you're eating more than your body needs, more energy that it's burning off throughout the day, you're going to increase your weight. So you need to be in a caloric deficit. That's the number one concept you have to understand, and you need to do it on a consistent basis, not for 3 days, not for 5 days, for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, day after day after day, focus on the caloric deficit. Number 2, you want to reduce your empty calories that you drank, such as alcohol. I'm saying reduce. I didn't say eliminate. Everybody's going to be, oh, I can't drink. No, you can reduce it. Fruit juices. You want to not drink your calories. You want to eat them, because when you eat them, you have more fiber in your diet, which helps the process. You're not getting so many calories and so much sugar in at once. So that is really important. Number 3, you don't want to multitask eat. So many people multitask eat. They sit there and they eat with their cell phones. They watch a TV program, read a book, and they eat at the same time. That's called mindless eating, and you're going to eat more calories at a sitting. I guarantee if you're mindless eat when you're multitask eating. Another huge important tip here is you want to eat more protein in your diet. Because what does protein do? It keeps you, number 1, full longer, and number 2, it takes more energy to digest a gram of protein than it does a gram of fat and a gram of carbohydrates. So increase your protein in your nutritional plan, your weight loss nutritional plan. Another tip here, very important tip, is you want to exercise on a regular basis. You want to burn calories on a regular basis. And I recommend for beginners, do something that you enjoy, something that you're going to stick to and adhere to. If you don't like weightlifting, which is the best thing to do when on a weight reduction program, what you want to do is do something that you're going to stick with. If you like to walk, stick with walking, something you're going to do consistently and you're going to adhere to. That's very important. So these are important. Oh, the last one I want to give you is number 7, is this. You want to eat slowly. That is very important, because too many people grab food and they throw it down as quickly as possible. You're going to eat more calories that way. So eat slowly. Chew your food. Enjoy your food. You're going to become full quicker, because what's going to happen is your body's going to realize that it's full. Instead of just throwing food down, it takes some time for your brain to realize that, and all those signals in your brain to tell you you're full. So once again, take your time. Caloric deficit, number 1 important, most important thing, caloric deficit. Don't drink wasted calories. You want to eat protein at every meal. Increase your protein content. Eat slowly. You want to exercise on a regular basis, preferably strength training, but do something you're going to stick to. So for watching this video, I want to help you further. I've got something really important to share with you, and it's this. For 100% free, I've created a special report that's going to help you, definitely help you. It's called Fat Loss Forever, the top 7 ways to prime your brain. Your brain, yes, we're talking about the brain. It all stems from your brain. If you can train your brain to lose weight, guess what? It's going to make things a heck of a lot easier. So in order to get this free report right now, what you want to do is you want to go to www.wellnessword, as in WORD.com. There you will find the free report, and go ahead and do it. Go there right now. Don't waste another second. I want you to get the right information right now to do the right thing. You're a beginner. Let's make this happen. Let's reach your goals. So thanks so much for watching the video. I'll see you at wellnessword.com. This is Coach Jim, over and out.